vacuuming looked like. Alright, first time using the Debot N79S. I vacuumed the house first with my Dyson Pet vacuum, review over there. But we're going to see if it can pick up anything else and see how long it lasts. So it is currently 1:49 p.m. and we're just going to tell it to auto and go out and vacuum and see how long it lasts and see if it can make it back to its little corner station there. So here we go. So it randomly is going to go around the house. It's fairly quiet. It's on the standard setting. There's no rhyme or reason to where it's going to go. It's just going to bounce around. And when it gets close to something, it's supposed to stop before it hits it. Or, in that case, the leg of my tripod was too thin for the sensors to notice, so it has a little bump guard up front. Just like that. And it doesn't go terribly fast, so it's not going to really damage anything. There we go. See, that leg was large enough for the sensors to notice. And we'll just watch it go over here. Now, I did clear most of the ground obstructions from it. Cords, cables, cat blanket. So it does have free reign. The cats have not noticed it as of yet, but I will be sure to film their interaction with it once that happens. Alright, so there it's going around their scratching post. And like I said, there's no rhyme or reason as to where it's going to go. But here, it's heading towards a place that I cannot get with my vacuum, which is underneath my entertainment center there. So it probably sensed some cables that were down there and decided not to go in too deep. But we'll just watch what it does and see what happens. Now there, you can kind of see some cat hair that was left by my other vacuum, because that's generally where I stop it. But there it goes, it's doing its thing, so we'll just let it keep on keeping on and see how it does. See how long it lasts, too. I can already tell there's cat hair in here. So, yeah. And look at that. As after vacuuming,